Hello! Hey everyone! And welcome to Coloring with KiMMi the Clown! Today we're going to be coloring in my Peppa Pig coloring book! I've got my giant box of markers here, so let's get started! Okay, so today I'm going to color this picture of Peppa and George on a rainy day. Let's color in Peppa first. She has pink cheeks. And lighter pink skin. Her rain hat is light yellow. And let's also color in her raincoat and boots light yellow. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in Peppa. Next, let's color in George. He also has pink cheeks and light pink skin. Let's also make his hat and his raincoat light yellow. And let's make his rain boots light red. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in George. Next, let's color in the background behind them. Let's make the grass at the bottom green. And let's color in the sky up here a purplish blue. And lastly, let's add some blue raindrops. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cute. I love Peppa and George's adorable raincoats. These little piggies just love the rain. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm KiMMi the Clown. Hope you had fun clowning around with me today. Peppa and George look like they're enjoying the rain. Have a colorful day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Wow, coloring is so much fun. Like this video if you like to color too. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out my last Peppa Pig coloring page video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun videos every single day. Love you guys. Bye!